That door was easy you got past. Unfortunately, you're first and last. Welcome back. I'm Werebear and we're playing Banjo-Kazooie. Here's Brentilda. Hello there, young ones. I'm Brentilda. Brentilda's nicer sister. I crept down here to help you defeat the old hag. It's about time she was taught a lesson. I know all of Grunty's disgusting secrets, and I'll tell you 3 of them every time you find me. Remember them well, young ones, as they will help you avoid a fiery fate. Press B if you'd like to hear them. Monsters chase you, they're a hounding. Then you'll get a grunty pounding. Okay, the thing about Brentilda is, on each save file, the facts that she tells you is randomized. So, what she tells me right now will be different on a different game file. That makes sense. So, let's see. Press B, and she says, Grunty brushes her rotten teeth with moldy, cheese-flavored toothpaste. Wow, delicious. Okay. Also, she also washes her hair with rancid milk. Yuck. In some playthroughs, for example, she might say that she washes her hair with engine oil, you know, or she uses eel dung toothpaste or something like that. And honestly, I really should write these down. Maybe I will, actually. I can just go back when I'm editing. So, let's see. And she gets her clothes from Saggy Maggie's boutique. Okay, so yeah, when I'm editing this, I'll go back and write those down, probably, maybe, because that's very important in a later level. So, to remove pieces that you have already put down, press the down C button. But once the picture is complete, all the pieces are stuck there permanently. And so we just unlocked our next world, Treasure Trove Cove. Alright. And in Treasure Trove Cove, we'll learn a move that allows us to use this pad over here, which we use to get up there. And from there we can unlock the next level, actually, Clanker's Cavern. Oh yeah, jump disc. If we go through here, there's a pot, or a cauldron rather, and if you use this, it'll teleport you to different parts of the lair once you activate a cauldron of the same color, you know, just like he's telling you. Also, there's a mumbo token back here. Okay. And yeah, again, I played this game a lot, and I mean, it is my favorite game, so I know a lot about it. I know a lot of the enemy names, and I know about the development of it. So I might kind of ramble on about stuff I know about it. But it's always fun to learn new things about it. So anyway, oh yeah, up here is how you get to Clanker's Cavern, but we're not going there yet. First we're going to go in here, and we're going to unlock another one of those shortcut cauldrons. This one I think actually takes you to... Oops. This one takes you to the end of the game once you unlock that. Not the end of the game, but near the end of Grunty's lair. Get up here. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, okay. There's our first gold feather. Lucky you. I'm an invulnerability feather. Bottles will tell you more. Okay. You've activated a magic cauldron, find two the same color, yada yada yada. Another mumble token over here. Try and get as many mumble tokens as we can in this playthrough. Because there are a lot, and you don't need them all, but the game doesn't really keep track of them anyway. I think there's even a couple that respawn, honestly. So, if we go through here, actually, before we go over here, let's go over here. Well, you'll see there's a secret tunnel down here. And if you swim through it, it actually brings you to another puzzle piece spot. And if you'll see here, most of the pieces are gone. See? And there's actually a level called Click Clock Wood. And if you'll notice, the jigsaw platform is missing. So we have to unlock that later. This is actually the last level. Here's Bruntilda again. Ugly Grunty's nickname was Hog Breath at witch school. I also know that putrid parrot puke is her favorite smell. Gross. And the old hag's favorite color is gruesome green. Gruesome green. No, I didn't mean to talk to you again. And I think there's one more mumble token hidden here too, behind the tree roots. Found that faster than I thought it would. There. Now we can go to Treasure Trove Cove, the beach level. I gotta drink some water because my throat's getting parched. Sneak. Okay. Ugh. Tell you, it ain't easy talking this long. Ugh. Which you think wouldn't be too hard, because I actually have a job where I have to talk a lot. Work at Subway. Of course, you're always asking customers questions. What kind of sub do you want? What do you want on it? You know. Anyway, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just walking around. I have to go up there later. Let's go to Treasure Trove Cove. Okay. Ahoy there! This be Treasure Trove Cove. There be 2 new moves for ye to find. Okay. You have to make sure you get out of the water before Snacker here, the shark, gets you. Now, also I know that if you ground pound these crabs, which are called snippets, they give you 2 health, which is pretty helpful. There's this guy. Hey, this Nipper's Beach. You find nothing without Nipper's help. Help us then, crustacean brain. Grr, cheeky bird needs feathers clipping. Oh yeah? Just try it, shellhead. Now for this guy, you actually have to go in and peck his eyes. You can't use eggs, because he says this if you do. Feeble eggs, no match for Nipper's shell. Armor. You gotta hit him 3 times, which is, you know, pretty normal for a Nintendo game. And once you do, he's dead and you can go in his shell. Before we go in this shell, we're gonna collect the Mumbo token behind his shell, though. Here's another thing I really like about this game, is that the music changes depending on what location you're in. So if you notice, this music is very cave-like, more ambient, more quieter. Me, or that sound kind of delayed? Anyway, some snippets in here. Oh yeah, 2 in 1. 2 crabs with 1 stone, 1 beak. Ooh. Alright. And get out of here and do the rest of the level. Okay. What next? Actually, there's a lot you can do in this level. Let's go over here. We've got a pirate ship here with a hippo pirate who needs our help. Excuse me, I burped again. Pardon me. Whee! I'm a red feather. I help KAZOOIE fly when she knows how. We're gonna know how right away. Here's Bobbles. This is your big chance, chicken legs. It's time for you to fly. At last, it better be easy, Bog Eyes. Simple enough, even for you, bird brain. Just stand on a flying disc and press A. Here's 25 red feathers to help you into the air. See you. If you go up here is a Jinjo. If you go down here, there's notes. Whee! And if we go over here, there are... It's a mumble token. There's no transformation on this level, though. This was a good pirate voice. Ahoy there, I am Captain Blubber, and I lost my treasure when my ship crashed. We'll find it then, Blubberguts. Yeah, sheesh. But I can't swim. Can you help an old sea hippo? Sure, we'll find it for you. So, it's just on this ship. One in here, and then there's one in the other entrance. Alright, so we'll click the mumble token. And when you're swimming, it really helps to hold down R to help you to swim. If you press A, you swim with Banjo's legs, and if you press B, it swims with KAZOOIE's wings, which helps you to go a little faster. And again, pressing R helps you to kinda helps you to control better. Alright, so let's collect these. Alright, and there's the last bar of gold. Is there anything up here? Let's see. Look, they never know when there's going to be a mumble token or something. Alright. Alright, so let's go over here. And climb up here, and we'll give him his gold now. Oops, so I guess I have to go near him to give it. Where's the other one? The treasure! Thank ye, me hearties. Take this reward. I'm off to spend. Alright. And you don't see him till the end of the game where he buys some, what do you call them? Sea-doos? Watercrafts? No, what would you call that? Anyway. Snacker smells tasty dinner. Stay just there. No, I don't think I will. You can actually kill him with eggs. And, let's see, what else? Oh yeah, we can go over here now. Just almost made it. At least he disappeared. If you go over here, there's actually, I think, a Jiggy. There's some feathers, crates, some eggs. No, not cheese and crackers. There we go. Oh, I can jump up there. There we go. Way in that little alcove, I think you call it. Alright, now what else should we do? We go over here, and I don't know for sure if this is the right spot or I'm gonna get bit. Yeah, I think there's a honeycomb over here. I guess it won't hurt too much to get bit once. Okay. There's one more honeycomb in this level, but I think I'll fly to get it. Ah. Speaking of flying, let's do that. Well, is it first fly pad? I'll actually fly on over here, and there's a Jiggy over here. There we go. That golden treasure was for me. Now harder still the game will be. Cool. That was gonna take fall damage there. Oh yeah, I guess there's notes over here too. Let's go this way. It's kind of a big level, so there's a bunch of different ways you can tackle it. There's also a sandcastle we gotta drain of water. And... well, we'll get there. Oops. Alright, so we're gonna learn to use the jump pads. You'll reach new heights with my shock jump spring. Shock jump spring. That's what it's called. Does Kazooie do it? My legs are tired. Don't worry, the turkey does all the work. Simply stand on a shock jump disc, then press and hold A. Here. Oh, thank you, Bobbles. Okay. Let's going. You learned all the moves on the go. Jump up here. Okay. If you go over here, there's some more stuff. Like Jinjo. Some notes. Let's look at the notes first. Okay, yeah, I'm noticing that the audio is a little delayed for me. That's weird. Hopefully it doesn't show up that way in the, when I edit the video and post it and stuff. Like a good second delay. There's another Jiggy. Let's see what else we can get here. Oh, okay, some more notes. That's good. And we'll go back over here. And actually, here's the sandcastle I was talking about. And here's Leaky. Me Leaky. No good for water. Can Bear block a hole with pebble? Sure. Leaky patched up. Now empty water for Bear. Cool. Now you can go into the sandcastle. Sandcastle is actually used for redeeming, or not redeeming, but for putting in cheat codes too. Hey Furball, you're looking wise. Solve my puzzle and win a prize. The puzzle is you just gotta spell out Banjo-Kazooie. Pretty easy. D. And where's the J? There's the J. Banjo. Kazooie. Where's the K? Ah. A. You can't hit the same letter twice. You gotta find another one. A. Z. Where's this? Oh, the Z. Z, Z, whatever you say. O. O. I, N, E. There we go. The gate opens to reveal your prize. But first, I'll cut you down to size. No, you won't. Some people consider that another boss fight. I don't. Pretty easy. Maybe Nipper, maybe Conga, but I don't know about him. Anyway, let's collect the notes and head on out of here. I need another drink of water. Okay. So what next? Next, we got to... I guess we'll fly again. We actually have to go to the top of the level, too. There's stuff we can do up there. There's actually a shortcut over here that leads to the top. A single note. Alright. You gotta be careful of these guys, because if they hit you, they actually you can eat your items, because your items will bounce out if they hit you. Eggs and feathers, anyway. Alright, so... I also really like the touch of, you know, the music cutting out when you're this high. Because they do that with the other Banjo-Kazooie games, too. I think it's really cool. It's nothing but, just wind. Go. Before we collect that, we're gonna hit this grunty switch. Just about every level has one. There's the Jiggy. We'll collect that later. Bokum. And lastly, there's a Jiggy up here. And there we go. Alright. Let's just make our way down now. But I don't want to die, so let's do it carefully. Oh, I think there's a Jinjo over here. And I would be right. Let's head back down. Okay, so now go over here. And I think there's more notes over here too. Oh, and some lockups. Or treasure chests, which are called lockups. Oh, gotta watch out for their teeth. There we go. Yeah, a lot of these lockups have useful stuff in them. Sometimes not so useful. I think there's one that actually has a few mumble tokens in it. Anyway, I think there's a extra life here, right? I'm surprised Snacker didn't come after me there. And so now if we go to the top of here, there's actually a little treasure hunt waiting for us at the top. Scavenger hunt type thing. As long as I don't fall off. Yeah, follow the clues if you're looking for gold. He sounds like he'd have more of a... what do you call that? Fraggly voice? I don't know, I just made that word up. Groggy? Nah. Like a gruff voice, you know, gruff. Oops. Here's the one. This one has a few mumble tokens in it. Yep. There's actually a jigsaw in here. Underwater, so we don't have to go through the little dance. Ginger over here. It might be the last one. I haven't been paying enough attention. Yeah, it is. Okay. Ginger. Alright. Now some more notes down here. Which a snippet. Oh. Come on. There we go. Okay. Oh, and there's a mumble token down here too. So watch out for that mine. I call it shrapnel. Eek. Pay attention. I'm gonna fall and lose my progress. Anything over there? Let's just look. There might be something in here, probably. Just some eggs. Needs that. I don't need eggs. I got eggs. Oh, there's the other X. The other X. Who am I, JonTron? Yes. You know. My name is John, but I'm not JonTron. Okay. Oh, there's the other X. And now there's all the notes. What do you know? Okay. There's one more X over here. I just love Nintendo 64 games. Like just such a neat style. Whole polygon kind of thing. The textures, it's just kind of a cool aesthetic, I guess is the word I'd use.
Yikes, please open me gently. Ouch, that was not gently.
Ooh, there's all the jiggies. So the only thing left on this world to collect would be the last, other than this mumble token that I just happened to find. I forgot about actually. So the last thing we need to collect is a empty honeycomb piece. And our best bet would be to fly up there, so not up there, but to there. Because actually it's in the water. Great. Let's go for a fly. And I believe, actually I think it's near Sharkfood Island, which is that one island we haven't been to yet. It's for Stop and Swap, which is a kind of like a, what would you call that? Like a kind of bonus thing. So Stop and Swap was a game feature where you collect eggs, like not blue eggs, but big mystery eggs. And they're supposed to be used in the next game, BANJO-TOOIE. But Nintendo scrapped a feature for the Nintendo 64 where you would have been able to unplug a cartridge and then plug in the next cartridge to kind of swap, or what do you call that? To, I guess, swap the data, or share the data, or, you know, transfer. Anyway, this is... You have to use a code to raise this island to get in here, but... Basically, what you would do is you would just jump through, or jump on these platforms until you get to the top. Which I'm gonna try and do as long as I don't fall. And I've already done it on this game, so because even if you start a new file, it's already unlocked. So normally you would do this, you get to the top, and then there would be an egg. Just go like this, go up here. And somehow I did that without messing up once, which actually I'm really surprised by. And anyway, you would go up there and you'd collect the egg and you get some dialogue. But I already did that, so unfortunately you can't, you know, unlock it. And there might be, I don't know if there's a way to like reset the game, like the whole game memory. Maybe there's a way to do that, I don't know. But I won't worry about it. I mean, heck, we can do it on the Xbox version one day, maybe, when if I ever decide to replay this again. Which is entirely possible. Not for a while. Let's see. Let's go up here and let's fly to that crate I was talking about. So anyway, I think the crate's over here. And you have to get near it so that it actually renders in. Is it over here? We'll find it. Might be over here. Oh, here, there. I think that's there. There it is. Okay. Here we go. And that's 4 honeycomb empty pieces. Wow, I said those words in the wrong order. Okay. So let's exit the world, and I'm gonna end the recording, end the episode, and then when I'm back, we'll do the next level. Let's unlock it first, maybe. Yeah. Or I don't know. We'll play it by ear. Wow, your best note score for this world is 100. Wait. Oh, also there's a thing up here. A thing being a Jiggy. Just beat this guy. And yeah, there's the Jiggy we shot out of that cannon earlier. Alright. If you think I'm rather soft, I'll be waiting in the loft. Okay. Well, we've been playing for about an hour and already beat the two first levels, so that's pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here in the next episode. We're gonna unlock Clanker's. Come on, John, talk. Clanker's Cavern. We're gonna unlock Clanker's Cavern. And so with that, thank you again for watching. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to subscribe and see more videos. And I look forward to making more of them. So I'm just gonna jump up here. Also make sure to check out my Twitter for art if you want to. In the next episode we're gonna unlock this. See you in the next one. Bye.